Struggling with bloating or fatigue? Your gut might be the cause. Gut health impacts everything from digestion to mood. The great news? You don't need a complex diet or costly treatments. Just 3 simple ingredients can restore your gut and revitalize your health. Let's discover these gut health heroes and how they can make a difference. First on the list is fermented foods. These include staples like kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, and kefir. What makes these foods so special? Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help balance the microorganisms in your gut. This balance is essential because a diverse and healthy microbiome supports better digestion, boosts your immune system, and has even been linked to improved mental health. Including a serving of fermented foods in your daily diet can help replenish and maintain these good bacteria, keeping your gut functioning at its best. Love these tips? Hit like and subscribe for more easy health hacks. Next, we have fiber-rich foods. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest, but it's essential for your gut. Foods like oats, beans, lentils, and chia seeds are excellent sources of fiber. Fiber does more than just keep you regular. It acts as a food source for the good bacteria in your gut, allowing them to thrive and outcompete harmful bacteria. Additionally, fiber helps in cleansing your digestive tract, sweeping away waste and toxins that could otherwise cause problems. Incorporating a variety of fiber-rich foods into your meals supports a healthy gut environment, reduces inflammation, and may even help prevent digestive disorders. The third key to gut health is prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics are a type of fiber that specifically feeds the probiotics, or good bacteria, in your gut. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. Think of prebiotics as the fuel that powers your gut's beneficial bacteria. When you consume prebiotic foods, you're helping these bacteria grow and thrive, which in turn supports a healthy and balanced gut microbiome. A healthy microbiome is crucial for efficient digestion, a strong immune system, and even better mental clarity. Incorporating these 3 types of foods, fermented foods, fiber-rich foods, and prebiotic-rich foods, into your daily diet doesn't require drastic changes. Small, consistent additions can lead to big improvements in your gut health. Whether it's adding a spoonful of kimchi to your meal, enjoying a fiber-packed salad, or snacking on a banana, these simple choices can pave the way for better digestion, increased energy, and overall well-being. Remember, your gut is the gateway to your overall health. By nourishing it with the right foods, you can create a strong foundation for a healthier, happier life. Start today with these 3 gut health essentials and watch the transformation unfold. Thanks for watching. If you found these gut health tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and effective health advice. Stay tuned for more ways to feel your best.